This is Eric with Mother.com, June 9th, 2021. Let's take a look at US markets, which have been open for about 20 minutes. This is how they're trading. In this educational video, we're going to be taking a look at the Nifty, the Indian market on the weekly chart. I want to show you what I see currently. So the Nifty has been one of the leadership markets across the globe, as far as I'm aware. Now, on the weekly chart, we see that this week, as of this day, today being a Wednesday, the Nifty closed down for the week. Of course, the week is not over, but I want to show you how things are developing on the weekly chart based on the RSI. And if we go back to this break point in March of 2021, a break of the RSI there, we get a shallow pullback, and then we recover, and actually this leads to a breakout in price right there. So if you take all those things, that it looks good. But now let's take a look at the RSI based on this break here. Just want to show you, if the RSI continues showing this resistance, if it continues showing this resistance, it could be indication that actually the market is setting the stage for a move lower if the RSI is rejected here. Again, for this to be a truly strong market moving higher, we would need to see the RSI above the blue line, because if you test the blue line by going backwards, and I encourage you to be doing that from time to time, you'll get a lot of insight on the behavior of instruments. You can see that this actually gives this area of the RSI where we come off the highs of early 2020 before we go into that deep pullback here. And the same level, actually, you can see movement above the blue line led to a very strong push in the Nifty. So this line is legit, just by the past behavior and how the market has responded to this line. Above the line, the Nifty has been moving swiftly higher, and below the line, we've been seeing pullback. So I would say, from an educational standpoint, it's a line to watch, the blue line of the RSI. Above it, and the market is stable to bullish. Below it, we might be setting the stage for a pullback. By the time you watch this, it's going to be days when I release this video. You'll have the luxury, maybe even weeks later, you have the luxury of understanding how things playing out. That's why I labeled this an educational video. And so it is. ERIC with Mother.com. Love, light, like love. Namaste.